Alright, so this video I'm doing for those who couldn't join the class online yesterday. So kindly observe it very well. And this one I'm doing very short so that I can remove my hand from it. So yesterday we learned something about web terminologies. So as you can see on the screen, web terminologies. So we are going into details. Alright, so you are welcome to DICE Online IT Training School. Before then, let me give you a brief information about myself. My name is Christian Somina. I am an electrical engineer by profession, and I am a website developer. Also, right now I'm learning what they call it, software development. And aside that, I'm part learning the graphic design too. But I have someone who will be teaching you the graphic design. So you are all welcome to DICE training, online training. I'm the CEO for DICE group of companies. Then I am the CEO for DICE Online IT Training School. So you are welcome. My name is Christian Somina. Thank you very much. So we are learning terminologies. So what is terminology? The body of terms used within a particular technical application in a subject of study, profession, etc. So when we say terminology, when you go to every institution has its own terminologies, or let me say terms that they use. So when we say terminology, that terminology means. So we are using web terminology. So every profession has its own terms. So when it comes to website too, what are some terms that we are going to use? That's why I chose to do this before we start the website design first. Thank you very much. So some web terminologies or some website terminologies. We have domain name. Here are some, not all of them. We have domain name, website, then types of websites. So we are going to learn that one too. Then we have theme. I should have done it website theme, but everybody knows what theme is. Then we have plugins. So we are going to know what is called plugins when we start designing the site. Then we have web hosting or web host, etc. Alright, so what is domain name? The domain name is the way to identify and locate computers connected to the internet. Two websites cannot have the same domain name along with top level domain. So let me give you an example of a website. So as you can see this, diceghana.com, the green color, diceghana.com. So the diceghana.com is a domain name. Sorry, the diceghana is the domain name. Then .com is the level domain. The level domain. So these two, diceghana.com, when I choose for my company, no person can use it in the whole world. Two websites cannot have the same domain name along with the top level. So if I choose diceghana.com like this, if someone wants to use the diceghana, he must to use diceghana.org, which is org, but not diceghana.com. That is what it means. So the domain name helps each and everyone to identify his or her website. Alright. So diceghana is the domain name of the website, and the .com is the top level domain. So as you can see here. Alright. So let's continue. What is website? What is website? A set of related web pages located under a single domain name, typically produced by a single person or organization. So when we say website, let's say diceghana.com is a website. So it's a set of related web pages. When we start designing the site, you will get to know what web pages are. So they are different kinds of pages designed into a single or under a single domain name. The domain name is the diceghana. So when we say website, it is a different web pages, different kinds of pages designed under one domain name by a single person or an organization. Alright, let's continue. Then we have types of website. Types of website. So here are some types of website, not all of them. Here are some. So this one I won't explain it. Yesterday, those who came online, I told them that I'll be using it as an assignment. So it is part of the assignment that I have sent in the WhatsApp group. So let's continue. So e-commerce website, then we have business website, we have entertainment website, we have portfolio website, we have media website, we have brochure website, we have non-profit website, then we have educational website. Yesterday when I reached here, I advised those who were online, and the thing that we are learning, everybody should take it serious. When I tell you to come online, because website, a lot of people are making money from website. When by the end we will finish training you, will get to know that website is very important for us to learn, because the world that we are now, everything is online through website. So if you have gotten the advantage to learn website, kindly take it serious. So we have the infopreneur website, then personal website. Also we have web portal. Alright, so let's continue. So this one I will be giving to you as an assignment, so that you will be giving me the meaning of these websites, the types of this website. Thank you very much. Then we have what is website theme. So yeah, I did it well, website theme, but before then I did it just theme. Okay, so let's continue. Your theme is the overlook or the overall look, feel and style of your website. This includes things like a color scheme, layout, and style element. So when we say the theme, we have the theme. The theme will show the outlook of your website, how you like it to be. Alright, so in essence, your website theme is a direct representation of your brand and has a direct impact on your users' experience. Okay, so the website that we are doing, the theme will give you the overall outlook of the website. So note that one very well. Then examples of website team. We have the Diary team, business team, newspaper team, then NGO team, etc. So here are some of the examples that I can give. Then the last but not the least, what is plugins? WordPress plugins are a bit of softwares or software that can be uploaded to extend and expand the functionalities of your WordPress site. So when we say plugins, they are some bit software that we use in designing websites. So along the line, we will be downloading some plugins so that we'll be seeing what I mean. There are some small or petty software that we will be using that helps you design the website how you want it to be. Okay, so as you can see here on top like this, you see that they've written add plugins. So here are some plugins that when you open the plugins column or the plugins page, this is how it will look. Then you search it here, the kind of plugins you want to use or download, then you download it. So you'll be knowing it more. Alright, what is web hosting or web host? So web hosts are companies that rent out their services and technologies to host websites on the internet. Once the hosting company hosts your website, users can access it by typing in your website address, which is into brackets domain name, in their web browser. When they do this, the computer connects to the server your website is hosted on. So when we say the website host or web host, it's some certain companies who sells domain name. So the domain name that I showed you, like Dice Ghana, the Dice Ghana will be sold to me. Okay, let me say it's not even selling. It's a rent. It's a rent. So if I didn't pay for some certain years, they can take back my domain name and sell to someone. So it's a rent. Every year you need to renew. Some are 2 years, but the higher one is 3 years. The maximum one is 3 years. So they are hosting companies. They give the domain names so that you can use it to brand your company or whatever you want to use it to in branding. Then you use it. So after 1 year, you need to renew it. So they are the people who sells the domain names. So here are some hosting companies. We have Bluehost. We have HostGator. Then we have Host Papa. Then we have DreamHost. Then we have what they call it, 000 web host, etc. Thank you very much. Here is where we will end the lesson. We will call it a day. Thank you very much. My name is Christian Somina. You can call me on 0248304008 and WhatsApp me on +233 26 442 66 63. Thank you very much. Goodbye.